New to Tidio and want to create an account? Let me show you how to sign up for free and start chatting with your website visitors in just a few easy steps. First, open your favorite web browser and go to tidio.com. You'll see a clean modern homepage with a clear call to action. Click the Start for Free button at the top right. This will lead you to the sign up page. Here, you can either enter your work email and create a password, or save time by signing up with a Google or Facebook account. After signing up, Tidio will guide you through a short setup wizard. You can choose a chatbot theme, customize colors, and fill out basic business information to personalize your experience. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you're ready to use Tidio to improve customer engagement and automate conversations effortlessly. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos just like this, and thank you guys for watching.